What's the best city in the UK for phone repair startups? Well, firstly, the city with the fewest successful phone repair startups is Norwich, where many businesses struggle due to low demand. But which city dominates the phone repair industry? In fifth place, it's Leeds, with over 200 thriving repair shops and a growing customer base. At number 4, it's Birmingham, where over 250 phone repair businesses benefit from high foot traffic and university students constantly needing fixes. Coming in third is Manchester, a city where over 60% of residents rely on mobile repairs instead of buying new phones. In second place, it's Glasgow, with competitive pricing and over 300 high-rated repair startups. It's a major tech repair hub. And which city is at number 1? Let me know in the comments section.